Amsterdam, often regarded as one of the most liberal cities in the world, is known for its tolerant attitudes and progressive policies. It values individual freedoms and open-mindedness. Moving away from the famed coffee shops and adult content, there is still a lot of history, culture and art for you to take in. In this video, I will share my experience as a solo traveler in this city, from quiet moments in the museums to scenic strolls along its many charming canals. I'm back here at Schiphol Airport, and every time I'm here, I'll meet up with an old friend. And here he is. He's been painting the time 24/7 for many years now, and he's still doing it. Martin Baas, a Dutch designer, is famed for his various art installations of recording of a person painting the time, and one of his most well-known works is right here in the airport. There's a notice here that some trains are not running due to a strike. A lot of trains are cancelled, but the one that goes through the central seems to still be operating. It's important to remember to buy a ticket, even though there's no barrier here to get to the train. But once you get to your destination, you will not be able to get out without a ticket. I realized later that you can actually pay for your rides simply tapping your credit card. This applies to train, underground subway and trams. Just remember to tap your card upon entry and exit. I've reached the central station, so right now I'm looking for my hotel. Accommodation in Amsterdam is very expensive. A basic room can set you back €150 per night, and a branded hotel stay is easily €300 to €400 a night in the city center. I'm here right on Dam Square. It's really the central square for a lot of things going on, and I think there's a demonstration going on right now. Let's take a look. And right behind me is the Royal Palace. Don't be deceived by this outer appearance. It looks very dark and very dirty, but inside is really very beautiful. Take a look inside.
Excuse me, no video, only pictures.
Okay. I will stop for taking videos, so if you wish to see more, get a ticket yourself. In the city, there are signs of the three crosses everywhere. They should not be mistaken for the symbol of adult content. The three crosses in Amsterdam are the St. Andrew's crosses. They are symbols of the city dating back to the 15th century. Some popular legends link them to the three major disasters of the city: fire, floods, and the Black Death. Amsterdam is widely known as the bicycle capital of the world. It has an extensive cycling infrastructure, strong cycling culture, and a high number of residents who cycle daily. Thousands of bicycles are packed in this sheltered facility. Look at those bicycles.
Amsterdam comes over here, they put the bike where there's a green dot, yellow dot is almost to the book, red dot is to the book. The part down here, and you push it down. If you plan to get drunk, you take a picture when you park the bike, right? The first 24 hours are free, and after say 1 euro for
Every year, hundreds of bicycles are retrieved from the river. They fall into the river for various reasons, and here there's no barricade. So why are the buildings so narrow and tall? Historically, taxes were based on the width of the building's facade. To minimize tax burdens, builders constructed tall and slender structures, and the staircases are infamously narrow. Often you will see a hook at the top of the building. This allows bulky furniture to be raised and taken in through the windows. Also, some buildings lean forward to allow items to be raised or lowered without hitting the building. I'll invite you to my hostel to take a look at how narrow the staircases are. My room is on the 5th floor, and look at these steps. Scary staircases. I was told that the boathouses can cost as much as those on land, and there are actually pipes under the water for the fresh water supply as well as for sewage drainage. I chanced upon a herring party in the evening. It is a traditional Dutch celebration centered around the first catch of the new season's herring. Besides the live band and horse carriage, there was free all-you-can-eat herring. I was handed a plate to sample. Let's try. It's raw. Not so much a fan for raw food, I went in search for a restaurant outside the city center for a favorite dish of mine. This is my favorite cake dish. Eggs Florentine. Came all the way here just to have this. A few tram stops from Central. Another favorite Dutch snack is the stroop waffles. 2 pieces of thin waffles with syrup in between. It's coated with chocolate and toppings. Are best eaten freshly prepared. Mine is just with chocolate with no other toppings. Today is Museums Day. If you are a fan of the arts and history, I highly recommend the following 3 top museums. The Rijksmuseum is the Netherlands' National Gallery and is the country's largest art museum, with over 8,000 objects on display. And the building is pretty incredible from the outside as well as the inside. The Night Watch by Rembrandt is the star of the museum. After 5 years of intensive research, the restoration of the Night Watch has begun. All varnish is being removed to preserve the artwork for future generations. This is done with microscopic precision, before the very eyes of the public, and is still ongoing at this present day. I first heard of Vincent van Gogh from the song Starry, Starry Night by Don McLean. The beautiful song depicts the life of this ill-fated painter, whose painting became masterpieces and are treasured only after he passed away. I was disappointed to learn that the Starry Night is not displayed in this museum, but the largest collection of his works are still found here. Listen to the story behind the song from the link in the description below.
Starry night, starry night, starry night. 별해는 밤, 너 하나의 맘을 기대어 본다. 아무 의미 없겠지만.
You see the long queue behind me? That's Anne Frank's house. And why is it such an attraction? I will share with you more after I visited it. They do not allow cameras inside. Alright, so I will just share with you with some photos from the internet. Here I'm inside. It's the start of the tour. Anne and her family hid in this house for over 2 years during the Nazis' occupation. During this time, Anne shared her stories in her diary, which was later published in over 30 languages and over 30 million copies in print. It is a story of resilience and a vivid reminder of the harsh reality of war, a lesson that mankind never learned. Amsterdam, often dubbed the Venice of the North, invites you to stroll along its charming canals, where every step feels like a postcard comes to life. Stay tuned to my channel as I share day trips out of the city to see a lively cheese market, visit the famous traditional windmills, and a day out to the neighboring Bruges in Belgium.